the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life for death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart be more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you.
Yo, yo. Good morning, chat. Welcome in. Welcome in. Happy Monday. Let's go. All right. All right, what up, what up, what up? Morning, chat.
Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome in. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Let's go. W's in the chat. Yanosha's in the house. George VDM, my man, is in the house today. What's good, George? Hope you had a good vacation. What up, Z Gamers in the building? Got a trade is here. All the mods are here. Louis G's in the building. What up, Louis G? What up, LeGrand? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Purpose. George Poe, Flip. What's good? What's good? What up, Magnus? What up, big dog? How you feeling, man? Hope you guys had a good weekend. Mr. BTC, Josh Jess in the house. Energy in the building. What up, Scott Blackwood? Yo, yo. Good to see you guys, man. It's good to be back at the desk. Ewan in the building. What up, Cannon? What up, Babadabadabadoo of life? Whatever your name is. Yo, Chala. What's good, brother? Good morning, Andrew. What's up, bro? Louis G. Louis G. Yeah, how y'all feeling, man? Everybody had a good weekend? What you guys do? What you guys do this weekend? Anything good? What up, Zipper? The Don is in the house. Morning, Toby. What's good, man? What up, Mr. Lopez? Yo, yo. What up, Traders X? Good morning, Marcus. Sunboy Comedy in the house. You do comedy? Yeah. What up, Nathan? What up, Zebs? Good morning, bro. Dipsy. Whoops. Trader next door. All right, I think we're good. Let me just send the Zoom link, and we're gonna rock and roll here. Who else we got here today? Who else is fired up about a Monday, man? You guys happy to be back at the desk or what? I'm lit. We're ready. What up, Trader Glenn? Yep. What up, Raul? Raul trades in the building. Wags in the house. What up, Wags? What up, SG80? B21 in the building. Rob Trades is here. Yep. What up, Rob Trades? See Melly in the house. Good morning, Tamra. What time is it? 7:08? 7:08. All right, let's get the day started. Let me lower the music here. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. Welcome in. Let's move the chat and let's get started. What up, DT Gamer? What up? Well, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome to a brand new week of the live streams here. We have the New York session ahead of us. Congrats to all you guys that have already started your day and traded the London session. And we're going to begin the New York session now. So if you guys could like the stream, give the stream a like, and let's get started here. TTP, time to pray. Let's pray together, my friends, and let's ask the Lord to bless this time together. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. We thank you that we can even come together and just be as one, Lord, one unit together in one spirit, one harmony, Lord. We thank you for the work that you're doing here, Father. It's just so amazing. It's just so amazing, Lord, to be able to just trust in you, Lord. I pray that your people would receive that today. Life is not easy, but life is simple when you trust in you and trust in your promises. And know that you are God, Lord, that we can't do much, that it's your plan that unfolds, and it's your plan for us to prosper, Lord, and to succeed and to be in good health, Lord, and to win at the highest levels. So we thank you for that promise, Lord. I pray that your people would learn to just trust in you, Lord. They're trying to do it themselves, and we know that we get nowhere when we try and put this whole thing on our own back, Lord. So we thank you that you're here for us. We thank you that all things work together for your people. We thank you that all things are possible with God. So we want you here with us, Lord. We ask for your presence. We want you to be with us everywhere we go in every moment of our life, Lord. So we glorify you. We honor you in that. And we thank you for the work that you're doing here, Lord. We thank you for blessing it. I pray a blessing over your people today. And we give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Happy Monday. It's a new week. Let's rock and roll. We got the big man backing us, and that's all we need at the end of the day. So let's go ahead and get started here today. It is the 15th of July, so we are halfway through the month, and it's exciting, man. It's been a great month. It's been great opportunities here to study different moves and to understand different plays in the markets and really just get a read, right? All we're going to do here today is we are just going to observe the market, right? If a trade comes to us, it comes to us, right? And I really want to get you guys fit into this mindset of what real trading is about, right? We are truly here to watch, to observe, to take part in just examining, man, the movements in the market. And if a trade comes to us, if something lines up with our system, then we will go ahead, execute, and put money into the markets. But I want to slow you guys down here this morning because I know a lot of you guys are jumpy, you're excited, a new week, Trump got shot, the markets are going to go crazy. I just want to calm you guys down a little bit, right? We're observers of this market, and we're just here to do that today. And again, if a trade does come, we'll put some money into the market, and we'll let probabilities take over from there. So let's kind of chill out a bit. Calm down, and let's go ahead and get the day started in a composed manner. So let's go ahead and take a look at the week ahead of us. Again, today is the 15th, so we are halfway through the month here, and it's been going well, right? It's been going well. We've got a nice week ahead of us here. Today we don't really have much besides this red folder here at 8:30. Everything else is going to happen a little bit later. Pal's going to be speaking again later on this afternoon, so we'll be off the live stream by then. But we do have this Empire State Manufacturing Index coming in here at 8:30, so that is a red folder. Very interesting, but we'll be here for that. Let's dive into the week a little bit here too, because Tuesday, which is tomorrow, you're going to have CPI for the CAD, right? So you got CPI. That should make some movement in the markets. We also have core retail sales here coming in at 8:30 tomorrow as well, and then a bunch of yellow folders also throughout our session. So we'll be aware of that tomorrow. But it looks good. We should have a lot of volume coming into the market this week. Wednesday is going to be a bit of the slower day, right? So Wednesday you don't have much going on outside of like a bunch of this yellow folder stuff. So not too much high impact news, but just word from the Fed and crude oil inventories, same stuff going on, like every week there. So that's it for Wednesday. Thursday, we're going to obviously have unemployment claims coming in at 8:30. You're going to have some euro news for those of you guys that trade the euro, but we'll have unemployment claims coming in here on the US dollar, and then again some more yellow folder news coming in towards the tail end of the session. And I think that's about it. Yeah, Friday is pretty clean, not too much going on there on Friday. Actually nothing at all during our session outside of the CAD retail sales. So that's pretty much it. So it should be a pretty good week midway through July here, and we're gonna get started on this Monday, and then we'll talk about Tuesday on Tuesday, Wednesday on Wednesday. But let's just lay out the land here so we know what we can expect moving forward this week. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. Let's dive in. Let's do a top-down analysis. If you guys haven't, give the stream a like as you settle in here, and let's run up top-down analysis. What up, OGH? Good morning. Good morning, Mike Go. What's good? What up, AJ? What up, Xander? PM Magnifico. Did I say what up to you yet? I don't think I did. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's do a top-down analysis, and let's see what we got going on here today. So being that it is halfway through the month, we are in the midpoint. So let's go ahead and take a look at where the monthly candle stands at this point. So as you can see, man, we've just been running up, right? It's just been a hold on one sec here. Okay, cool. Zoom, you guys. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, yeah, so as you guys can see, we've been running up pretty steadily here. It's been a straight up bullish rally here on gold since we cracked 2,000, right? So we've just been running up. The last, we had this monthly candle here close with no top wick. It really didn't matter, right? The next one juiced up. It kind of closed a little on the weaker end though, and it still closed bullish, and then the other one kind of did the same thing. And last month we kind of closed very weak doji. So it's been a struggle here in these all-time highs, I would say, since like 2200, right? So very curious to see it as to what this guy wants to do here, right? We already broke the previous monthly candles highs. Now we're starting to return towards these like all-time highs here. So we'll see what happens. There's no bottom wick on this candle. It's just obviously just pushing up right now, just super bullish at this point. We've got all-time highs ahead of us, which are going to be, I would say, about like 200 pips away. So we're back up there, boys and girls. We are back up there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly and see what we got going on here. This is your weekly range that we've been paying attention to. So this is your bullish rally, right, since 2000 here. When we broke out of this consolidation, we rallied up here. Now we're consolidating again now, right? So we'll see what we want to do within this consolidation, but you've got support, you've got resistance, and currently you're just in the range. You haven't broke out of that resistance at all. We did close bullish, but not above there. So we'll see how the weekly candle closes this week, and then that'll give us a lot of clue to where price wants to go. If it closes bearish, we're most likely going to probably move back down towards the bottom of the range, right? If we close bearish like this, then we can probably see a move back down towards the bottom. But if we do end up closing a bullish above there, that's where you're going to see, these all-time highs start to get smoked, and we'll probably begin to create new highs there at that point. So very, very exciting here on gold, man. Price is running up. I hope you guys got some gold bars, and hope you guys have been holding for a while. I've got some gold, but I certainly wish I had some more at this point, man. 2,400. Insane. So we're witnessing history over and over and over again here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily though, and let's start this party here today. So daily looking good, man, right? You take a look at the daily. You had support that was formed here. You had some sort of resistance in this level. We closed above the range. You're now in this range here. Daily looking like it's got a celery play going on. If it breaks that high, you should see this wick get filled, and then potentially even come up further, right? Come up more towards these highs here. So we'll see what happens with this daily candle today. There is some news coming out, so at 8:30. So we'll see. That can definitely rock some things on this daily candle. It looks like we've broken the highs already. Yeah, so we did break these highs. This is pretty much a daily celery play, right? And if you have this wick over here to the left-hand side, right, this guy right here, If the daily wants to push up here today, you may break through this high again and then see a push, right? And if we can get that push today, that's going to be lovely, man, lovely. So I am bullish based off of the day, right? I know that this middle candle here did close bearish, but we already did break the highs there, so I am looking for potential buys here today. I am open for sells though. Let's go see how we can potentially look for those sells here at some point today as well. So 4 hour has been pushing, right? So we've kind of rejected off of this. It's almost like a rocket ship, right? We've kind of created resistance here. We've look at all these wick rejections to the downside, and now price is starting to, you know, look like it wants to push up here. So everything's looking pretty bullish at this point. I don't want to say that this 4 hour candle tapped target, because I believe that this wick right here is going to be the 4 hour target, right? So I don't think we've actually tapped target to look for any sort of like premature fade opportunity or anything like that here today, at least right now today. So I am bullish. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, you are coming up to a resistance level here, so let's mark that off. So you got a 1 hour resistance here. You've got a support sitting right here, actually right here, and that's basically the range that we're in. So pretty decent tradable range. Like, you had this celery play here for about 50 pips, so not bad here. This range is going to be 79 pips. So let's go see if we can get a deeper dive into this range and see if we can tighten things up a little bit. So let's see, you've got this level right here as well. Let's see what that looks like on the 15 minute, coming up to resistance as well here. You do have another resistance. Yeah, I think we need a pullback here. So we're just going to need some sort of a pullback at this point if we want to take buys. So where would that pullback come down to? Probably back down into these ranges here to retest these levels, right? Somewhere right in this area here for, what is that, 24.13, for price to kind of retest support before looking to move back up. So that's kind of like my ideas here, right? Last time we came up here, we pushed below, we drove down. We came up, we rejected, we pushed down, right? We came back up here again, we pushed down. So yeah, very curious to see if we can get this resistance formed. There may be some sells here. We'll see what's good with that pretty soon. But yeah, if we can get some sort of a fake out or support form, these are the buys that I want to take here today. So I don't really want to take a buy right here. I want to take my buy right here off of that support and then look to, you know, fill that range again. And then if you get a closure, now we've got nice runners here to run up until, you know, fill these wicks. So that's kind of like my ideas here at this point of the day. Is I'm not going to take buys. For those of you guys that did take buys in London, great job. These things played out perfectly here. Very good opportunity right here off of that previous candle wick. So price been moving up. Just gonna sit tight. Excuse me. Wait for you know, the next best opportunity. If we can get that pullback, that would be lovely here. So that's what I got going on as of 7:21 here. 30-minute candle is gonna close. If we can get a 30-minute closure back in the range, that would be fantastic. All right, something like this, some sort of a fake out, and then come NY open, we move back down, retest lows, and that'll be my sell, you know, if I'm looking to short the market here today. Cool. So that is it. That is it. That would be lovely. If we can get that, that would be fantastic. A nice little fake out back into the range, and price push down back off that support, I mean that resistance, and then, you know, look to create support, and then we could take more buys later. Yeah, so let this thing do its thing. If you're not in buys, don't chase these buys. It's only Monday, man. Only Monday. So just chill out, relax, and let's wait for that opportunity to come to us. Let's observe, my friends. It's our only job here today, is to observe the market. The market don't have to do a damn thing. It don't have to do a damn thing we want it to do. Right? Our job is to just chill out, have fun, hang out with the candlesticks. If they give us that opportunity, we take that opportunity. If not, we use this day as an opportunity to be disciplined, to be patient, and to sit back and relax. Yeah. Weekend was great. What up, Ecom Dre? It's good. How was everybody's weekend? Did you guys have a good Saturday, good Sunday? Yo, what up, Diogo? What up, Diogo? What's good? What's good? Happy Monday. How to be in Discord? Exclamation point Discord. That'll bring you there. Just click the link and you'll be on your way. Finish day around BE. Nice. What up, Jay Trading? What's good? What's good? Anybody in buys here? Wow, last 15 minutes been running here. Nice. Nice, nice. What up, Jason? Pay the fee. Playbook results are crushing. Hey, hope you guys are really enjoying that Playbook 2.0 video. If you guys have not peeped that yet, and you're trading this system and this strategy, man, you're slacking. You are slacking hard. Because the winners, they watched it. They watched it 2 or 3 times. They've played it back. They've taken notes, man. You're falling behind, G. You got to be willing to put in that work, man. You got to be willing to put in that work. What do I think about current Trump situation with the markets? Yeah, I'm surprised that we didn't get a gap there yesterday or any major. We haven't really had anything major take place here. So yeah, I was expecting some sort of like open yesterday with like a gap or something. Yeah, check that video out, man. Especially if you guys aren't trading my system, then you don't, obviously, like, that's not one that you need to watch. It's still good because we do talk a lot about mindset, mentality, approach, things like that. But if you are trading this style and you haven't watched that and you're just coming to the live streams hoping you can, like, quit your job, I mean, come on, man. Come on. Go ahead, watch the video, take the time, put in the work, and earn it. Trade Ovate and Apex not working this morning. Oh, what up, Traders X? Apex. There's something wrong with Apex. A lot of you guys recently passed with Apex. A lot of you guys got some big capital here. I'm hanging out with the hot shots, man. The big ballers. Sheesh. What an honor. $150K. $150K. Charts for stream. All right. Yeah, we'll check charts for stream here in a few minutes. Happy to have you back, George VDM. I'm reading the mod channel now. You guys want a sneak peek, chat, of the mod channel? No, I can't do that. Can't do that. The mod squad channel in Discord. Good to have you back, George. Oh, wow. We're taking off, man. We are pushing. This 15-minute. Who's in these buys? Anyone? Anybody? How'd I manage my position in Asian? Yeah, I caught a nice fadey in Asian, man. Worked out really well. Did that on my bigger account. I ended up, so once this candle closed here, so I was looking at this guy here for the top wick. I got my entry, so you guys are going to see me take some different entries here moving forward. Don't try and do things that you're unsure of, gang. You'll see me take some entries. I'm going to, just like I took the fade and I mentioned to you guys, like, hey, don't take these trades yet. Like, I'm still sample sizing, you know, just hang tight, just watch them. Or if you do, go super low risk. Same thing with these new entries I'm testing, right? So I've been testing them for a couple weeks now, and I'm feeling pretty good about them. So yesterday I did take one of those crazy entries here, and my entry was basically right there, and stops are kept very tight below the lows here, right? So this is where we're going to be able to, and we're going to talk a lot about this in the webinar. We're not going to talk too much here on the streams. I still want days to test all this, but we're going to hit on this stuff hard in the webinar about RR and stuff like that, and few different ideas that I've generated to increase our RR. You know, not that that's the biggest deal in the world, but we want to make money, right? You guys want to make more money or less money? You guys want to make like the most money we can, or, you know, just whatever. I want to make money, so I'm always looking for ways to dial in, right? So this is a very tight stop. So the way it works is stops are below these wicks. As you can see, this is somewhat of a liquidity wick, which is going to obviously activate sellers who are hanging out below the lows here. Sellers are activated. You know, Trump, everything that happened over the weekend was telling me that we would move up here on gold, which we are. So this was my entry right here. Very, very risky, sniper-like entry. Stops kept below the lows. Sometimes what's going to happen is you're going to get stopped out on this almost immediately. But that's okay, because you are you're only risking 15 pips here, right? So as long as your risk is good, and in any occasion, you're good, right? So yeah, trade was taken. Once this candle closed, I was looking at this level right here with that no top wick there. So I closed 80% of my position at that point, and then I moved my stops like right on top of the range here, and this guy stopped me out. So yeah, it was a good trade though. Good trade. Yeah, I went to bed. So I just closed that and I went to sleep, and that's what happened. Good thing I had a stop loss, huh? Wait, you put a stop loss? Nice, nice. Wow, yeah. So 30-minute closure, man. 30-minute close above. I don't like taking buys this too overextended though. So I'm just gonna wait. Remember what we talked about, the potential fake out here. So if we can get that, that's gonna be my trade here. I'm in no rush to take any trades, right? I'm chilling. So if this can come about, I'll take this. If we don't do that, or let's say we don't get the setup we want, where maybe we just push down and we didn't execute on the fade or something, we just wait for support. And then we'll go from there. Yeah, it's Monday. Chilling. Chilling. Didn't even mark my charts up fully here. All right, so let's do this. Bop, 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 bop. All right, so basically what I got, I don't think I finished the breakdown. So fake outs here, right? Potential fake outs for sells sitting at 24.18. And then in terms of like cleaner sells, I would say you gotta be below 24.13 there, right? Then you got a nice clean range coming down. I would like to look for a support here though. So if I am in sells at this point, I'm closing partials here around like 40 pips or so, depending on where we can get an entry up here. So that's gonna be what I'm looking at. I would say I don't want to confuse anyone and put buys above here, but buys are basically above here. So if we can kind of get the image right, price coming down, creating support, and then moving up. Cool. Might look a little weird, but all right, let's clone it. All right, and that is it. That is basically the day. Clone. Let's find our buying targets. Right up here at 24.24, and that's it. So we're in a weird hunky junky funky place here. Not going to take any positions right here. We've got once this 30-minute candle closes, that will lead us into NY open, right? So if we can form a resistance here and close back below, like I was mentioning earlier, with NY open on our side, we're gonna have I'm gonna have stops above here, and I'm gonna look to take sells, closing partials here, and then letting the rest run till pretty much wherever it wants to go. If we close bullish, it gets very tough, man. It gets very tough. What's a stop loss? Yeah, we'll talk more about the wick stuff and all that during the webinar on the 27th of July. It's going to be a 2-day webinar. It's going to be super in-depth, super duper in-depth. If you guys haven't gotten your tickets yet, get them when you can. I promise you, I will make it worth it. I will make it more than worth it. I caught the bleeder and then bought in London. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Bro, I'm in such a loss. That's okay. You know, there's going to be times where you're going to be in losses. There's going to be times where you're going to be in wins. It's part of the game. My guy said for free signals, hit me up on WhatsApp. Holy. Yeah. What's up with y'all, man? That's 2 days in a row. Shelly's in the house. Shelly Nation in the building. What up, Shelly? How are you doing? I know that there was a massive storm there in Texas. I hope you guys are good. Yeah, if we can respect the high too, that would be great. Close back below. Still plenty of time on this candle though. How do I work on my psychology over the course of my day? I trust in God. I just trust God, man. I really do. I don't know. I can come up with this complicated, crazy, astronomical answer for you, but I just trust God, man. I just trust the Lord that He's got the best purpose and plan for my day, and I just go about it in joy. Knowing all is well. Oh, update on the 32, by the way. Boom, 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 boom. Competition ends today. Yeah. Competition ends today. So we will have our top 32 by market close today. Let me text my my guy over here at top one and see if we can get an update. Woohoo, man. Taking off here today. Yeah, I'll see if I'm going to get an update for you guys now. Oh, what happened with... Oh, it was emotional night for football supporters in the UK. Oh, yeah, what happened? What happened? Does the 15... wait, hold on. Does 15 backflips? Whoa, 15 backflipping before taking a trade, so his trades tend to go straight. Wait, what? 15-minute candles are doing backflips? Ain't that? It's bullish. Okay, one guy says sell. One guy says it's bullish. What are you going to do? I say nobody knows nothing. You guys already know what I think, right? 30 closure, back in the range, leads us to NY open. NY open brings us volume. During volume, hive times the volume, ranges are filled. We have a range right here that could potentially get filled, even come down into that next range, and that's basically the idea, right? So if you get the rejection off of here, every time frame's calling for a pullback. We'll have volume on our side. We'll have a resistance / fake out, and that'll be the highest probability trade that I see happening over the next, 25 minutes. Peraz in the building. What up, Peraz? What's good? What's good? Waiting for support? Yeah. We'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it. Price pretty much started taking off, it looks like, from about really London Open here. So we've just been pushing since London Open now. Made this one little support. That was it. The Trump interview was crazy. I think Trump was playing golf on Sunday. Someone that works on his, someone that works on his golf course said, hey, you know, like, I seen Trump today golfing and he was in good spirits. He had a pretty big crew around him. There was some people there. He was spent some time with the people, and supposedly hit like this 20-foot putt. And he's like, yeah, this shooter don't miss. This guy's nuts, man. Nuts. He said something like that. This shooter or this sniper or something, man. Clown. Yo, you seen he supposedly like moved his head. It seemed like he got hit with like glass like off the teleprompter or something. Like, I don't know if he got did he get struck with the bullet, or it seemed like something ricocheted and hit him. Yeah, the fact that we're talking about it like it's like no biggie is pretty crazy too. Like, there was an assassination attempt on this man. That was crazy. Skimmed his cheek and came out his ear. That's nuts. Took 100 pips on gold this morning. Nice, James. Nice job, man. Gold's been ripping since London Open here. 150 pips here since London Open. It's all publicity. Yeah, you know, it could be. Could be too. How does it look like on the competition? I'm gonna get an update for you guys now. I'll probably have that update soon. Give my man Bryce. Shout out to Bryson over at Top One, man. You guys have no idea. That boy is working for y'all, man. W Bryson. Yeah, I just text him, so he'll get me a update. I'm sure they start working around 8 or so. Yeah, did you see that one image? It was like if he didn't move his head, and then if he did, when he did, that was nuts. That was nuts. Yeah, what's crazy is like, how did that dude even get there? Holy. All right, cool. So here we are. We did break the highs, so we could still move up here. I wouldn't try and get early entries. I really want to see. I'm mainly looking to take a trade during NY Open, right? If you guys haven't figured that out, right? So I don't really want to take a impulse trade here or a fade position. Although this could drive, it could also continue moving up. So I really do want to see a candle closure here before I do step into the market. $50 tweeted, "Yo, Trump got shot and now I'm famous," or whatever. Now I'm trending. Yo, 50, man. He said Trump got shot and how I'm trending. All right, here we go. Breaking lows here. Almost. Traders next door. I think I'm going to be waiting for a 30 closure here. Yeah. Yeah, the 15 is going to close here in 1 minute. For those that do want to take this or attempt this off the 15 closure, I think it's okay. I'm going to wait for the 30 closure, though, because I want to, see some volume coming in here. Yeah, yeah, that's right. We get a 30 and a 1 hour close here. So if we get our 30 closure back in the range, that also means that this current 1 hour candle does not close above these highs here. So that's good news as well for sellers. Yeah, so it'd be a 30 closing back below the range after closing above and breaking the high like this. And then that would mean that 1 hour candle falls shy of closing above these levels of resistance here. That seems like a much more intriguing trade to me. What do you say? Got to trade? Got to trade. I'd be calling. Got to trade. Be paying attention too. Be calling. Got to trade out of nowhere here and there. Right? What do you say? Green. Green, man. You see, got to trade. Pop in there. Green hits me back around like 8. Oh yeah, I forgot. Green's got stuff in the morning on Mondays. How you doing? Green, yeah. Green is a busy man. That boy. That man busy. All right, Vin, we'll wake you up, buddy. Set your alarm. Take a little 13-minute nap or so. Yeah, we didn't close below anyway on the 15, so that's fine. This could be a fade here, but I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna wait on the look. If we do get a closure here, the fade would have to play out anyway, so it could work. But I'm waiting on the 30 and the 1 hour. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have my magic keys sound anymore, Vin. Otherwise, that would probably be very helpful in waking you up from your 13-minute nap. There's got a trade. Yeah, we got news at 8:30. News coming in here. Top 1 discount? Yeah, yeah, that's still good. Yeah, as long as you guys signed up with whatever email, so make sure you do it through that email and you're good to go. And if you don't see it there, just message support. They'll get right back to you. Let them know that you roll with TTE, and they'll take care of everything right there on the spot. Passed my first account. Nice job, Alyssa. Amazing, amazing. Congratulations. Wake up and get your cake up. My first trade with Nick. What up, Luna? What do I think about adding more positions in drawdown? I used to be the king of that. So someone asked me, yo, what was the worst trade you took? Like, what was your worst trade? And it had nothing to do with money, percentage, or anything like that, man. There was one day, and I have it on my Instagram account too. Man, we just kept selling gold. Just adding positions in drawdown until the account was just invisible. Let me show you guys. Hey, as you guys can see, I am a student. So this weekend, you know what I did? I learned. I'm not afraid to continue learning. I've learned from a lot from Raja. I continue to learn and study. I think it's in. I think it was in charts. My worst trade ever. Worst trade ever. Let me find it here. I know I had the news on the side. Yeah, you guys should scroll through these too. Pretty interesting story clips. I'm glad I saved these. Come on, worst trade. Oh, look, hey, this when I first started trading gold, chat. So I was probably trading gold for like a month, 163 weeks ago. So ever since this day here and before this day, I've done what you see me do every day. I've come here, I've come to the desk, I've done my markups, you know what I mean? For 163 weeks. Look at these little $60 wins. Love it. Love these memories. All right, let me try and find it. I know there was news on the left-hand side of the screen. Let's see. Oh, was this it? No. Oh, yeah. Clearly not the best day, best morning for sells on gold. This was the day that we just got caught selling gold from like down here. Selling, adding positions, absolutely destroyed my account. So ever since then, I'm not too interested in adding to a losing trade. We were adding and adding. It was bad. And you know what? Before that, I used to trade with like a group of friends, like 5 or 6 of my buddies. Green was there. They were calling me like the stack king. So I was getting all excited. I was the stack king, and yo, the stack king got slapped, right? Slapped up that day. So ever since then, I stopped adding positions to my losing trades. But yeah, it was bad. It was real bad. There was some news happening. There's Raja with beard. Yeah. Yep. So yeah, that was it. Yeah, by the way, this is my Instagram here, gang. If you guys are looking to find me on IG, this is it. This is the only IG I have, by the way. There's been a lot of scam pages. I think this weekend they probably made like 10 more because for some reason every one of my friends got followed by Nick Stewart 99447733. So this is my only one right here. There's no numbers in it. There's nothing. It's just my first and last name and an underscore. Yep. Don't get fooled, man. Don't get fooled. I know some of you guys took sells. I know some of you guys did it. Who's in? Let me know now, though. Let me know now before price looks like this, before I get in. Don't. Yeah, if I'm going to take an impulse at all, it's going to be on the 30 here, not on the 15, because that's where it'll be on the next 15, right? Which is the new 30, which is also the new 1 hour, right? Which is also where volume's coming in, which is also the NY open, right? So I'd rather do it there than waste my bullet here at 745. The blue tick. Your mentor's Raja. Yeah, like for candlesticks and trading, yes. I've learned quite a bit. I would say he's probably my biggest like mentor slash coach that I'll look at in terms of like price action studies and stuff. I'm in sales on BTC. Hey, yo. BTC. That's right. Yeah, the trend is bullish, so any sells are pretty quickly. Like I told you guys, like once we tap maybe even before 14 here, I'm closing partials. But we could pull back. We've been running up here for quite a bit, especially on the 15-minute. Pull out that fib on the 15. How you doing? Holy 50%. What do you know? Who's Roger? Roger, you'll have to look him up on YouTube. Roger. Why would I like to sell in the bullish trend? Because the bullish trend doesn't have to, but it should come down to continue the bullish trend, right? So this is like a counter trend opportunity to potentially sell, get out of our sells here, and then go ahead and look to go long again, right? I really want buys, but I know if I'm going to take buys, what I need to see is this, right? And a new support formed. And all I'm saying now is while I'm waiting for that support, I may be interested in participating in this candle. If this candle closes below. Only if that candle closes below. If this happens, then I will do that. That guy, TK. Yep. Damn, man said Tia and Tamara. Holy. Wow. I actually did see this Nickelodeon. My cousin sent me something yesterday. It was like a Nickelodeon, 1990s. Bunch of intros. So like they did what did they do? They did Rugrats, they did Cat Dog, they did Rocket Power, they did the Wild Thornberries. You guys ever seen that one? They did the Wild Thornberries. And which other one? SpongeBob. Yeah, so it was a few like intros. Cat Dog. Yo, hey Arnold, man. She said, move it. Move it, football head. Who else? I forget who else was in. I think that was it. Rugrats. You guys remember Rugrats? I used to love Rocket Power. Nickelodeon or Cartoon Network? Damn, I think I liked... Honestly, I forget. Yeah. I'd be having my kids watch Tom and Jerry. Bugs Bunny and stuff. I can't, like, I don't know, it's just so weird. I don't like sitting there watching another kid play with his, like, action figures. It just, I don't know, I just can't let my kids do it. If anything, they can go play with their own action figures. If they're just gonna watch somebody do it, right? Let's just shut the whole TV off and use your imagination. So that's typically what we do. We really don't let them watch any television at all until like late afternoon. Late afternoon. Scooby-Doo, yo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Man, forgot about Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Care Bears? So funny. I seen a toy, a Care Bear toy the other day, and I think it was like Target or I forget where I was, but damn, haven't seen that in a while. Ah, man. All right, so we never got a closure below here. So that's fine. I'd rather wait for A15 anyway. To be honest, A15, if A15 closes below, then I think that's extra confirmation. If we close above, though, we're most likely going to keep running. So this may be the only support we get. But yeah, just got to wait for this candle now. So it was all ready to go if, remember, big if, that candle closed below. That candle did not close below, therefore there is nothing. Nothing. Backyardigans. I'm trying to... Okay, that's got to be a new one. If your daughter... Yeah, that's got to be a new one. I don't think I've ever heard of that one. My kids watched Bluey. They like watching Paw Patrol and... I think it's called Blaze? Yeah, Blaze or something. Really just Paw Patrol and Bluey in terms of like cartoons. Dexter's Laboratory. Remember that one? Dexter's Laboratory. Johnny Bravo. Johnny Bravo was cartoon. Gang, to be honest, once you've been awakened to the truth, some of this stuff actually becomes hard to sit there and like even watch anymore. Sorry, I know. A little too much. Courage of the Cowardly Dog. I don't think I've ever seen that one. Yeah, chat's going off right now. I wasn't a big TV guy my whole life. I wasn't big in TV at all. I would always be outside like throwing a ball around or something. I learned my lesson buying so high. Yeah, me neither. I'm not looking for buys right now. Not yet. I was born in 1990. 1990. 1990 is when I spawned into this thing we call life. What up, Big Smoke? AB Mike in the house. What's good? How was the documentary? Yeah, that's the thing. I'm pretty weird. When I watch TV, I watch like documentaries. Like yesterday, I watched a documentary on orca whales. It was super cool. Yeah, it was super cool. I like studying animals because animals keep things simple. Humans complicate everything. Orca whales, man, they're some of the smartest animals on the planet. Not one recorded attack in history in the wild, but when they're kept out there in captivity and stuff, they just get pissed, man. One of the coolest things with the orca is the way they hunt. The way they hunt, man. They have such a cool plan. They get these seals surrounded on these big glacier pad, like these big ice patches on the water. And then they start swimming towards it. They use their tail to create this big wave to push them off the iceberg thing, and then they just fall in. And it's like easy snatch. It's like trading, you know? They look for the easy work, the easy kill. They just let it come. Let the whales cook. A lot of times too, they just play with the prey. They teach their young. Pretty interesting. Yeah, orca teamwork is insane. They were interviewing one guy who, like, he used to work as his job used to be basically to capture them, right? And take them out of the water. And he was saying he had so many regrets because he was like, you know, we would be taking this whale and all of a sudden you just see like 5 other whales that you could tell are like this dude's family. Like, he's like, you look into the eyes of an orca and you know somebody's home, right? Like there's something in there that's got life, and you know, the family. He's like, I couldn't do it anymore. He's like, I couldn't do it. He's like, it's like one of his biggest regrets. He said it was like literally kidnapping a child. It's like, damn. I got trolled by the vegans this week about being a farmer. Hey, man, I'm going to be a farmer here, too. I'm going to be a farmer soon, too. What up, Sandman? Good morning, bro. Good morning. Yeah, so look, if we could push up a bit and break the highs, there may be one of these type of like impulse entries up here, and then stops will be kept above the high there. 10 pip stops. We'll see. Actually, what am I saying? We didn't close. So if this, I'm sorry. Let me hold on. Rewind that back. This candle never closed below, right? But if it did, that's where the opportunity would be able to come from. But I'm not going to do that here because we never got this candle to close below. So that I'm going to be waiting on the 15 closure. I forgot. We didn't even close below. How many pips after will you go break even? So let's say give or take we get an entry on this low, just as an example. I would be closing partials right here at 34 pips. Holding my longs today. Wish me luck. Best of luck, my friend. You may get a pullback here, but all in all, it should continue moving up here today. Daily, if the daily breaks the highs here, which it did, then you're going to start seeing a push. we may not even get this pullback. That's why I don't want to jump too early on these sells here. Yeah, we got news coming in too. Yep. Yeah, news may give us that pullback, and then we can kind of counteract that news and take buys. Let me put it this way too. If the sells play out here without me involved, that's fine, right? I just don't want to miss. I don't want to miss the next buys if we get an opportunity. So if I miss these sells, I'm not worried about it because that's the riskier trade anyway. I'll take these buys, you know, from down here. So I'm looking for sells. I do expect the pullback. I'd like to participate from basically here to here, right? But if it doesn't happen, it's all good because we're bullish here anyway today. Lights fire in the house. What's good, lights fire? I like pips. Yeah. Told my in-laws about outwitting the devil, waiting for his reaction. Oh baby. Oh baby, that's a deep book. Are you trade toe session or one? Oh, 2 sessions? 1 session. Sometimes 2. How's my heart today? My heart is, man, my heart is great, brother, because I literally just trust the Lord. You know, I don't try and get in the way too much. I don't try and deviate from the Lord's plan and what my spirit is saying and calling me to do. I just try and be obedient, and my heart is really, really good from that, man. It's just a pure, innocent, childlike faith in the Lord. That's it, man. That keeps my heart golden day in and day out. What's up, Ocean? Happy Monday. Isn't it so cool? We could just rest on the promises of the Lord. We could just rest, right? We don't have to walk by sight. We could truly walk by faith. The only reason I'm anywhere where I am today is because I walk by faith. I don't walk by sight. If you walk by sight, it gets scary, right? But when you know that all things are possible through Christ and with God, nothing shall be impossible, and you walk in that, I mean, your heart is just in a different place than the world, and it's truly, truly magnificent. What up, Donald? Good morning, Sandman. What's good? What's goody? All right, we got some signs of struggle here, right at 24.18, and then we've also got signs of struggle now at this point, you know, or in these highs. So not really anything to do here right now. Nothing. We can rest on his promise. Yeah, when you're reminded, when you dive into scripture and you're reminded of promises day in and day out, and you see them being fulfilled, it's just, man, I don't even know why I don't deserve it. I couldn't earn this. It's a story that I couldn't have wrote. It really is, man. Stupid. Let's see what's happened on the 5 minute. Yeah, see the 5 minutes all messed up? It's all jacked up here. John Stu will join the crew pretty soon. Isn't there an onion for sell entries? So the pattern is there, but so this is where ranges come into play, right? Because you can have a beautiful pattern, but if you're not sitting in the right range, it may, you know, some people probably took sells here and now price is moving up thinking the onion didn't work. But remember, this candle's got to close below the range, right? This bearish candle, in order for that to be a valid playbook position. That's why I didn't look. I had this all set up to take the trade. You see the line? I needed that closure below there. That makes all the difference. Some of you guys think, you know, it only, you know, just 2 pips, it's all good. It's not all good. It's not all good. Trust me. Price respects these ranges. There's a reason why we trade the way we do, right? There's a reason for it. For those coming to the webinar, will it be recorded? Yes, everything will be recorded. You guys will all get the recording. So whether you're there, as long as you sign up, everyone's gonna get an email with the recording. So you guys can, and you'll have it forever. So you can go back and watch it and study it. And yeah, I'm gonna be really dumping my heart out here, man. I'm gonna really be pouring a lot of sauce that, you know, is probably gonna cost you guys elsewhere $5,000 to $10,000, probably more. So for 70 bucks, man, don't be cheap. Get in, let's run it up. I want to see you guys succeed. I'm going to devote literally like 2 hours every day into really kind of trying to get some things across to you guys. So don't miss it, man. I promise it's going to be so worth it for you. Yeah, it's one of those things your future self is really going to thank you for. We don't miss. Trust me, we don't upset when it comes to our boot camps, when it comes to the private coaching and the things that we do not upset. So yeah, we look forward to seeing y'all there. We take it very serious. What's up, Nick? Someone's pretending to be you. Yeah, it sounds about right. Yeah, watch out for the scammers. A lot of scammers out there pretending to be me, especially when I do things like these little small paid webinars. They start making accounts and, you know, start trying to be that guy. But I be trying to tell them, you're not that guy, pal. Trust me.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Just tell them that. Hit them with that when they hit you. Remember, by the way, I'm never going to message you and ask you if you want to participate in the webinar. Hey, I'm just checking in on my followers and subscribers and family members. Just wanted to see if I can personally send you a message to see if you're interested in the webinar here on the 27th of July. I will not do that, trust me. Doesn't matter to me if you come, right? It matters to you. Over 5 friend requests in Discord? Yeah. Tell me about it, man. I wish I can stop it, but there's really nothing I can do besides pray for them. Yeah, the webinar, you can go to the website. So just go over to the Time to Eat website and click webinar, and this is it right here. You can sign up as long whatever email you use, that's the email you'll get the what's it called again, TK? The link and the recordings. Yeah. By the way, I truly should be charging $7,000 for this. No lie. No lie. So I left 2 zeros out. I got another friend, yeah. Yeah, by the way, I never friend request anyone on Discord, ever. I don't think I've done that one time since I've had the Discord. Yeah, I've got close to, yeah. I won't hit you up. AV mic. The webinar will not be public, no. Yeah. Yeah, major announcement, gang. Any request, IG, Discord, Telegram, anywhere. If you see me trying to request you, nothing against you. I am not requesting you, right? I'm not requesting anyone. So if you do see that, 100% it's a scam. $100%. George VDM. All right, if you're a mod, yeah, then you know I hit you guys up. That's me. That's me. Going through the 50 of them. Which one's going to be him? The funniest thing was the one dude who sent the voice message. Dude said, yo, if you don't trust me, I'll send you a voice message. And this guy in the elite program, he's like, all right, yeah, send me the voice message and I'll send you over the money. Yo, this guy. Man's really tried to sound like me with some like crazy London accent. It was too funny. All right, so 15 close, man. We did close bullish. Buys do look okay here, but I don't know, man. I don't like this. I don't like this. If it drives from here, it is what it is. Yes, you'll be able to watch the webinars back. Yup, you'll have the webinar for like basically for life. Yeah, so if you have to work or if you can't make it or if you can only make it for an hour or if you can only make it for Sunday and not Saturday, it's all good. You guys will get the full webinar in your email. Oh yeah, that voice man. Yeah, that's good, man. That voice message was funny. Still makes me laugh. Yeah, anytime we do something private, we do not disappoint. I don't care. I take a lot of pride in my just the elite program and any boot camp or webinar that we've ever done, or any one-on-one meeting I've ever done, anything like that. It's my duty to make sure I deliver, you know? So that's what I do. I deliver. You can sign up through the website or any of these links that say technical analysis webinar. What do you do for a living, Nick? I deliver. Deliver what? Amazon packages. Nice. Yo, Amazon's lit. I hit Amazon up in the morning. They hit me back up in the afternoon with a knock on the door. I'm like, well, damn. Thanks for the package. All right, we may have 8:30 coming in here. See how our 15 closure goes down. 8:20, so we did push down here for 8:20. Yeah, we still got like 2 weeks. The 27th, or is that next week? That's 2 weekends. So not this weekend, but next weekend. Amazon moves like gold. Hey, shout out to all you guys working for Amazon though, man. You guys are the real MVPs. For real. Let's go. It's only a matter of time till you're out of there too. Hey, while you're working with Amazon, you might freaking end up looking like Ecom Dre, bro. Because every Amazon driver I see, they be getting them leg workouts in heavy. I mean, they sprint, right? Like they get out the van and they just dip to the door. I'm like, someone give this man a raise. And then I seen another driver doing it, and another one, and another one, and another one. I'm like, yo, these guys, their morning meetings must be freaking insane. Probably drinking like pre-workout and all that. Dude's got that pre-workout. All right, everyone, gather together. We're all gonna hit this new Amazon pre-workout here. Ooh, deliver the word of God. I like that. I like that. Prime week coming up. I'm about to quit. Man, that's something I would say. I'll be like, hold on, what? Wait. We usually get here at 10, and you want us to get here at what time? Oh, Johnny Gems has been in the house? All right, let's get him up here, man. Let's get him up. Zoom, man. Zoom don't be letting me know when the GOAT's here. All right. Good morning, John Stu.
Yo, good morning, brother.
How are you, man?
Doing great. How are you doing?
Fantastic. Blessed and highly favored.
Let's go. Blessed, high favor, that's for sure.
Doing better now that you're here.
Grateful for another day.
Yes, sir. How is it in New York today, young man?
New York's great, nice and cool. So yeah, pretty
Nice.
chill. About Florida.
Florida, I haven't been. I went outside real quick, but it's 75 right now. 75 at 8:25.
Nice.
Just waiting on a closure.
That's it, bro. That's what we're always doing.
Talking about Amazon drivers.
Yo, what's good, chat? What's good? It's great to be back. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Let's go. New week. Time to run it up.
Hey, by the way, chat, if you guys aren't using TradeZella, we never ever talk about this because I'm the last guy to be like promote stuff all day long. But it's like we have a 20% off with TradeZella. So if you guys haven't used them, click the link. We got it in the description. It's been there on every stream. Use TradeZella, man. TradeZella will get you right. It's a really, really good visual. And orcas, yeah. The orcas. All right, so we'll see how this 15-minute candle does here in 3 minutes, and then we'll take it from there. So you said it was cool out, John?
Yes, sir.
Cool, like 50s, 60s?
Yeah, like 60s. But it's in the 70s right now, so.
Lit. All right, we're on the move here on the 15. So we got 3 minutes until the closure here, and then we'll see what happens.
What's good, Sandman? What's good, Wags?
Wags. Wags. Can you give us
Louis
a
G,
walkthrough?
what's up, Diego?
Yes. I'll show you guys TradeZella. Let's just wait on this closure first in 2 minutes, and then we'll look at TradeZella in a little bit. TradeZella. I would love to create a TradeZella, but it's already done. Like that kid is making it really, really nice for traders. Yeah, we got news coming out here too, so this should get interesting.
What's up, baby Mike?
13 pips before the news. Nice.
Ecom Dre, my man. It's popping.
Ecom Dre in the house. What up, bro?
Good.
All right, 1 minute.
1 minute for some news.
I'm trying to get this update for you guys on the 32, especially before this. If I can get it before the news, and then all of a sudden positions switch up right after it. Hey man, look, that's me. I'm in 7th after the news. Bro, where'd my name go? 7. Oh my god, 8, 9, 10, 11, 31, 30. Why isn't my name on the top 32 anymore? Should I tell you what the number 1 guy's up? It's pretty impressive. I don't think I should tell y'all. I don't want anyone getting discouraged. I'll let the top dog, if the top dog's really the top dog, he'll be the top dog at the end of it. Any reason you didn't take the 30 celery? Yeah, because the candle, all the closures were above the range here. So anything above this, so my cells are with a closure, right? So I'm looking for a closure there. So now we may get a closure, which we have, but we got this news coming out here. So let's see how this news goes down, and then we'll go from there. Let's go ahead and see how numbers came out here. Pending. Still pending. Yeah, how's everyone feeling about the competition? Today's the last day. Last day. Tomorrow we will have our 32 and they will be competing.
Let's go.
All right, so red numbers here. Okay, so yeah, gold should move up. Red numbers here on the dollar. We should get a move up here from gold. So let's see. I think if we can come down first, plant that support that we're looking for, that would be great. And then we could take our buys from 13. But yeah, we got to see that. Well, I would like to see it come down a little further now. Daily still got room to go. 24 is that wick fill, so we're good on that as a target. And yeah, we'll see how we do here. 4-hour candle is pulling back, so yeah, bad numbers for the dollar. That means gold should continue rising. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
What's good, chat? Anyone take any trades so far today? What's up, Z Gamer? What's up, Yanosh? What's good, George? You already know, daily reminder. Let's not focus on the money today, but let's focus on building good habits, good trading habits, right? Because that's what's going to bring us the money. And let's just learn and grow and get better today. There's 3 key components I'm going to be focusing on today and building good habits around. And that's 1 is first following my plan, following my trading plan. 2, I want to have a good psychology, right? I want to think in probabilities. I'm going to have a probability mindset today. And I'm going to also have good risk management, right? Because, we want to trade for tomorrow, right? And we want to stay in the game. And not only do we want to multiply our capital, but we also want to preserve our capital. What's good, Jalen? Good morning, Andrew. Hope you're doing good. It's good. Purpose. Ooh, 2 W's so far. Good shit. Or good stuff, brother. Good stuff. Yeah, London buys maybe. Looked like it played out. Louis G, yo, Louis G, how's Texas, man? How's that storm? What's good, Miko? Good, man. Yeah, good morning, Dominic. When do I get back home? Probably either gonna be late August or early September. One of those. One of those. We'll see. I'm already starting to want to go back though now. So. Damn, Louis G, you still don't got power? Wow. Sorry, bro. Sorry to hear that. What's up, B21? Ooh, Usman. Damn, I mean, hey, man, it's part of trading. You know, it's just, it's an everyday process, you know, just, yeah, that's tough. Just keep looking at your losses, see what you're doing, right? See what can I do better. I hope your trades, you know, are aligning to follow your plan, but hey, it's part of trading. But man, there is lessons in the losses though. You just gotta look for it. There's always an opportunity where there's a problem. What's up, BuzzBlab? Yeah, yo, Nick, man, I'm logging into my top step account, and it's saying that I have no active account. You know what's good? Did that happen to you?
Maybe chat can help.
Chat, anyone can help me?
Give him a hand, chat. Give him a hand.
So the email Top Step gave me, I clicked the link to access my account, and I logged in, and it said no live account, or no active account, sorry.
Yeah, we're a little too far, right? Like this thing wicked down towards like right here, so that leaves us with like 15 pips here. So like I said, if we miss this one, it's not a biggie. We'll see if we can get support at like 13 and then take buys from there.
Apex is having some problems too. Oh damn.
Apex? Oh, maybe there's a issue going on. I don't know.
Loud plugins. That's funny, Vin.
Vin, you woke up. Where's Vin? You have to click allow plugins.
Yeah, where is that? I don't know where that's at.
What up, Pablo? Are we gonna break this 1 hour low here? So great idea we generated here, but just didn't have the, you know, right closures at the right times, but very good that we're coming down. Yeah, maybe just hit up their support. They'll get you right. Pablo, man. Pablo's been around for quite some time too. Right, Pablo? Yeah, man. We where's my YouTube? Yeah, some of y'all been Watching some old school live streams. Yeah, the Prather. Yeah, man, shout out to the Prather going back. Oh my god, I don't know what these little stupid comments are here, man. Yeah, going back. I mean, this one right here is old school too. I remember when we switched up that thumbnail. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy.
Hey, what's good, Chris? My brother, we got Chris in the house, Nick.
Yo, Chris. What's good? How are you, man?
Good, my G.
Wait, which name is Chris?
Sorry.
Yo, chat, the Eagle
Discover.
4000's back. Yo. Wait, where's Chris?
Discover and Bandan and thing, the name.
Oh, Discover Abandoned. Yeah. What up, Chris?
Discovered Abandoned. It's good,
Good
brother.
to see you, man. I thought it was yeah, I don't know where it went, but I thought it was a different one. Yeah, Green's in the house too. Oh man, the 845 is pouring in now. 845
Green.
is coming in. The Eagle 4000's here. Holy. Yeah, brother. Hope you're doing good too, man. Hope you're doing well. It's been a little bit.
Yeah, man. Hope the fam is great. Everyone's doing great.
The Eagle 4000 is back. All right, that's exactly what we wanted to see price tap into. So the idea was there here today. We just didn't get the closures, right? So 15 candle closed above. This one finally closed below, but the next one was a high red folder news, so we didn't take this, but our idea played out, right? So now we want to see how we begin to react to 13, which is right here, 24.13, and see what we do in this level. If we can kind of close a no bottom wick or something and then create support, that would be awesome. But if I'm in sells, I'm closing partials right here. How much we make with the Eagle 4000? If I told you, you wouldn't believe me. Let's just say I made at least 4,000. All right, got my money back.
345 in the chat.
Hey, yo, 845 in the chat. Oh, man.
Yeah.
How's your son doing, Chris? Hope he's doing well. And your wife?
Yeah, I just seen them all.
Oh,
They're all
you seen
doing
them?
great, man.
Oh,
Yep,
nice.
everyone's looking great too.
Dope.
Yo, Chris, that your little boy Arthur, he's a G, man.
Arthur. That's Arthur, bro.
He's a G. We were watching the fireworks for Chris.
Yeah, if I'm going to watch fireworks with anyone, I want it to be with Chris. This man will jump into a fire, put it out, save your life, come back, and just make a joke about it.
Of course, man. Anything with Chris is lit, you know?
Literally. No pun intended, Chris.
Chris makes everything better. Nah, seriously.
That man be walking through fires. House fires.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Great guy.
I'm trying to get this update, gang, on the standings here in the competition.
What's good with Top Step only allowed me to talk to an AI chat person.
2024, bro. What do you want to do? Bro. Nobody knows nothing. Yeah, you see, this is where you want to take partials if you haven't. because we could reject here, we could push through here, or we can reject here, right? It's just a area of interest. So let's see. Any good questions? Let's see. Oh, just write agent in the chat, and it'll bring you an agent.
I don't know, we're having some problems here this morning.
We're having some technical difficulties. 4-hour pulling back here with 15 minutes left. Very nice. 1-hour lows have been broken. 30-minute lows are obviously good. 15, yep. So we'll see what happens here. This is our 50% Fibonacci level. Stop playing with me. It's that fib. Top Step got all AI chat. Oh damn. Hit me with the agent. Is the Eagle 4000 consistently profitable, and can I use it on MT4? No. No, no, no. Oh no, no. Don't do it, Blade. Oh damn. They're having some issues.
Wow.
Let's see if I can set an order.
What, with Top Step? That's
Yeah, looks like I'm good.
damn MJ Rowe. I'm gonna make sure they didn't charge me 2 months as well.
Let's see if I can set an order. On Trade of 8.
Yes, C Melly, yes, I am. And good morning, C Melly. Hope you're doing great, bro.
Yeah, I'm all good. I could set orders. So yeah, that would have been my partials right there, as you can see, right on the nose there. Had we been in that trade, it would have looked something like that. So we'll see what we do from here.
Peace out, Chris. Have a good day, man.
Later, Chris. Have a good one, bro. Nice to see you, man. Enjoy your day. I'll see you when I come up to NY. Blade,
Thanks.
we're just kidding, man. The Eagle 4000 is not a real thing. I would not. It's a scam thing, and I wouldn't even pay it any mind.
All right, cool. C Melly, thank you, bro.
Did I just set a buy stop? Nah, I did not. I did not set a buy stop. I did set a buy stop, but I was just seeing if there was an issue on my end with Trade of 8. But there isn't.
Someone has a buy stop now.
Where was that buy stop? Hey, where was the stops in the buy? No. Gets tricky out here when you go for P breaks, man. Yo, bro, I seen that yellow line.
And that was hilarious, right?
Yo.
I
Hey,
guess
man.
it's not okay to walk away.
We used to have people blaming us like, yo, I thought you had the yellow line out and I just took the buy anyway and, I went to the bathroom real quick. And I'm like, bro, we never had any buy stop, nothing, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. I just happened to
left
look.
the computer to go make a cup of coffee.
Next thing you know, man, I was stopped out.
Negative $200. That's 2% on a 10K account.
Trust me, we've had people do that. Yeah, we've had people say all sorts of crazy stuff. Hey, man, I blew my account. You think you could buy me another one? Yeah, sure, man, no problem. Yeah, no worries.
Totally.
Send me your bank account digits. I got you. Like, I don't need money. Like
Those same people.
My kids ain't need milk, man. Come on.
And those same people aren't trading anymore.
Yeah, those names I haven't seen them since. TK, they trying to act like my kids ain't got. They need to eat too. It's time to eat, man. Not time to starve. Yeah, charts for stream. Let's take a look at a few. Charts for stream. All right, let's take a look. We got, what is it? What is it here? So clean range to the left. All right, daily, week bear. Hold on, daily, week bearish, 4 hour bullish. Simple breakdown trade got 20 pips. Okay, cool. So all right, so took your sell right here below all this. Lovely. Perfect sells. Closed, booked 80% right here at 20 pips, and then I think the runner got hit at break even. You said, yeah, nice trade. Yeah, nice closure below. That was your confirmation candle. This was your trading candle. You had clean traffic to the left. It looks like that was pre-London, maybe. Yeah, pre-London. So yeah, great job. Break of the highs on White Shark. Holy. All right, White Shark, let's go. Man, who's that handsome guy? Oh, no, just kidding. Nice trade, White Shark. Nice trade, man. Gold buys, that was, I think that was just now, right? 710. Yeah, buys have been ripping up. Good job, bro. Good job. Hey, yo, Green. How you feeling, Green? All right, we got 8 minutes left. So you got the 15 closure. No way I'm taking sells right here. We've got, this is probably where we can potentially push down and create that new support. So at this point, maybe we get one more candle here for the pullback on the 4 hour. And then we get our next candle to do something like this. Create the new lower wick on the 4 hour candle. And if then we can get a closure back above, I'm in there like swimwear. Because that should be our new 4 hour candle filling the wick. So we'll see which candle is going to give us the bullish closure. Yeah, because look, if the 4 hour candle looked like this earlier, and now those last two bearish 15-minute candles have brought the 4 hour down, right? So now we've got this wick. So now we've got a wick to fill, which is represented by these candles right here, right between this zone. So now that wick's there to fill, if we get a new candle to come down and make a new low, so again, let's just say this candle can close, with no wick or some sort of sign, right, that bearish volume is dying out, and then we get that closure back above. This would be nice if we get a nice little exhaustion wick, because that wick right there will represent the new 4 hour low. Right, and then we'll take our buy, or I'll take my buy off that support, basically from down here, expecting price to move up on the 4 hour and fill that wick, which is this high right here. So that is the current plan. Let's see. Oh, you just added one in charts for stream? All right, we'll take a look. How do you deal with the fear of getting into a trade even though your analysis was right and it ended up going the right direction you wanted but missed out? It's whatever, you know, it's no problem. No biggie at all. Happens all the time. I'll just pretend I was sleeping. Yeah, because I didn't get everything I wanted, right? So I wanted a 30 closure back below, but it never did that. So right then and there, I don't miss anything. If price drives down without me, it's whatever. I would have been open to taking the sell on this candle here, but then this was our news candle. So I didn't want this one to go all wacky. That's where I just decided to wait and see if we can move down, and then that way we can catch the, you know, the bigger move back up. So it's whatever, you know, it is what it is. You gotta shake it off, you know what I mean? Just, you see how I'm like, it's whatever. It is what it is, right? You just gotta, you can't get too, I don't know, man. You know, when you're new, you're like, I could have been in that, or I could have been in this, or, you know, you gotta get rid of that, right? That, at some point, that's gotta go, right? And then you only stick to your plan. So I'm a little bit past that now, and I'm a little bit more mature in that area. So I'm literally just, if my plan is there, I'll take it. If it's not, then it is what it is. What up, Wiz Buddha? Lovely, lovely. 5 minutes on the closure here. If we can get no wick on the bottom, that'd be awesome. That'd be icy.
Nasty 4-hour rejection.
Yeah. Yeah, the 4-hour lows, unfortunately, are still sitting right here. So that's a little tough. Copy trading software, I would use something like Traders Connect, maybe, if you're using MetaTrader. Yeah, remember, I said this earlier on the live stream when we first began the day. We're just here to observe, right? We're just here to observe. And if things play into our favor, then we put our money in the markets and take trades. But until then, we're just observers. We're just watching the market. We're just hanging out. That's it. You know, and if our opportunities come, then that's when we'll execute and make an investment. Until then, we're just going to do a really good job at just observing price action. We're not here to force anything. We're not here to, you know, predict anything or tell the market you need to do this or you need to do that. The market does not care, right? Market doesn't give a rip. So we're just going to sit tight, observe. And while we're observing, if our playbook opportunities come to us where we have high probability win rates, then we will invest. Until then, we'll rock out to this guitar and enjoy the music. Yeah, exactly. It is an investment. Yep. It's a little different when you put it that way, right? Every time you get into the markets, you're getting into an investment. Some of you guys have been in like 19 investments already today. How is that working out for you? I really do want to know. 19, 20 investments on a Monday. How you doing? Gotta trade, man.
Investments all day.
I'm gonna quote "Gotta trade," and I'm gonna put it in my office, man. Gold's gonna do what gold wants to do. We're just gonna do what we gotta do.
Thanks, bro. Good, got a trade.
time frames that I prefer entries on, usually 15, 30, or 1 hour. So any one of these, 15, 30, 1 hour. I like to get my direction from the blue. So 15, 30, 1 hour. I'm sorry, entries on in the blue box, and then the white box is where I like to look for direction. The daily and the 4 hour. Daily 4 hour direction, 15, 30, 1 hour setup. Entry setup. Yeah. So very curious. It looks like the 4 hour is going to close below the range here. We got 1 minute left on this candle, so we'll see what happens there. But all in all, we're looking pretty good. We came back down. We did test 13 here, so we'll see how we begin to react to 13. If you do get a support, I am open to potentially taking buys here, not off of a weak support, but off of a stronger support that we get, maybe around 915. Yeah, because you never know.
Oh, yeah, I'm with that.
We may get one more 30 to push down here before NYSE open. $50% off webinar. I already gave a massive discount. I was gonna charge 7,000, but instead I just charged 70. All right, perfect. All right, cool. So we got a 4 hour closure here. So 4 hour close, we did close pretty good bullish here, right? So pretty strong bullish. We did not close above the range there, but that's okay. We're still bullish on this candle. We do have a wick to fill here as well. So let's see what the 1 hour looks like. 1 hour we closed bear, so we don't necessarily want to just take a buy here, right? So we want to wait. We want to see if we could form that bottom wick. 15-minute close, weak bearish. So I would expect at least one more tap down into the zone, and then if we can close bullish here at 9:15 or 9:30, that's where I'll look to take my buys. Yeah, we need a support to form, or if you do get somewhat of a closure below here, I may be interested in taking these sells, but not before we move up first, right? Because if we're looking at the 4 hour, right, we want to potentially catch some sort of a fade. What you're going to need to see is this candle move up a little bit, right? So we got to move back up in the range, and then you see how the wick is here now? So now the wick is at the low there. So now if you pump up, break the highs, start to fill the range, begin to reject on the, let's say, these lower time frames and don't really push up, that's when you're looking at the potential opportunity to take sells. If you can get a candle to close like that, and then the next one like this, now you know you're re-breaking the 4 hour low. It attempted to move up, it doesn't want to, and then we could take more sells moving down from there. Playbook 3.0, hey, it might come sooner than you think. I don't know. We'll see.
Yo, what's good, Jalen? Do I have any goals with trading in life? Of course, man. You know, I do have a couple like materialistic goals, but just trying to grow and get better every day, and that's the main goal. Just grow and get better every day, and the goal, I'll just naturally hit my goals, you know. But of course, I got goals.
We got goals, man. Life's boring without goals.
I can name a bunch. Right now, just looking to maintain the freedom and get better.
Nightbot working. Nightbot putting in work. Okay, Nightbot. We got to give Nightbot a raise here. Yeah, no goals, man. Life gets very, very mundane. Very, very mundane. I know a lot of great people, but they got no goals. They got no goals, so they're such good people, but they work, they go home, they watch TV, they cooked in dinner, watch more TV, and that's fine, you know, if you want to do that. But yeah, when you got goals, you just moving different.
Yep. Makes life interesting.
You just different.
And just focusing on one goal at a time, right? And you don't even have to set goals, you just have to do. Right? That's what Luke Belmar said. He said he doesn't set goals, he just do. He just does. Right? So
yeah, if I
gotta do the work.
If I can give any of you guys any advice in terms of like some of you guys may be struggling with procrastination and stuff, you need to create a power list. So this was I think I got this idea from Andy Frisella. So in the power list, I want you guys to think right now. If you think in your head, forget about the chart for a second. We got like 10 minutes, right? Visualize in your head the you that you want to be. Got it? Now there's 2, 3, maybe 4 things that you could do on a day-to-day basis that will get you closer to that vision of yourself over the next year, right? Not over the next 24 hours or the next, week, right? But over the next year or so, 2 years. What are the 2, 3, or 4 things that if you said, hey, if I did those 2 or 3 things every day, that's a win, right? I want you guys to think of the definition of win the day, right? What does win the day mean to you? For some, it might mean to show up and stay disciplined. For some, it might mean to wake up on time for the live streams. Maybe it's to go to the gym. Maybe it's to make sure you're eating properly, right? Maybe it's to listen to a podcast every day. Maybe it's to read 10 pages of a good book before bed. Whatever it is for you, it's only, I promise you, success is not this big thing that you have to try and accomplish. It's a couple little things done day in, day out, that doesn't look like it's making a big difference in time, but every day you'll be able to check your day, right? That was a win. Today was a win. We got 1, 2, and 3 done. We got the win, right? So understanding that success doesn't come overnight, but it comes over many nights of doing the little things day in and day out that are going to separate you from, everyone else in the pack and where you are currently right now. So you already know what those are. I don't need to bring, you already know. Everything's custom to you. So you already know what those 2 or 3 things that you should be doing. So just make sure you're doing them. Right? And then check every day. Make sure they're done daily. And you could say you can go to bed and have your head hit the pillow and be satisfied that night knowing I won the day. Right? I won the day. Some of y'all just got to maybe brush your teeth. You know what I mean? That's it. Brush your teeth, make your bed. Because y'all be walking around, stinky breath, and I'm just
all it takes is 1 or 2 good habits, right? Just working on 1 or 2 good habits every day for you to win the day. Like, that's all it takes.
Win the day. That's all you got to do. Every day is win the day. Win the day every day. And that should be comprised of 2 or maybe 3 things that are non-negotiable. We used to say earn your pillow. That was a big thing for us when I was building a different business. We would talk to each other and we'd say, hey man, let's earn the pillow tonight, right? Let's earn it. That means like we had to get those things done. If there was 3 things on the list that had to get done in order to potentially move our business forward on a day-to-day basis, if those weren't done, we weren't going to bed. Yeah, you need to get around some gorillas, man. Some people that'll hold you accountable. The elite program, by the way, we're going to be taking a bit of a shift in the elite program because I want to move into spending time with more of the traders that I'm going to be probably working with over the next couple years, and really just have it like an accountability space, like a place where we can come and meet a couple times a week together as a group and really begin the separation, right? The separation effect on everybody else. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. But a couple little things, chat. Nothing too crazy, man. Nothing too crazy. Some of y'all just trying to do too much. Just trying to do too much. I think this is where we go to the next level in terms of 8-figure traders. You know, I want to get a crew, an inner circle that we could begin to spend time with together off the stream and really make the most out of our time and sharpen each other. You know, that's the coolest part about the group stuff, is that you sharpen each other.
Yep.
Yeah.
And in-person trips, events, they're gonna be in the future, and I'm excited for those as well.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll probably do it like a 2
Do a
month
TT vacation.
Yeah, the elite program may switch. I'll keep you guys updated. It might move to like a 2-month thing. So, but the thing is now it's a continued process. So it's not like some of us have spent time in the elite program, rolled through the curriculum, do the whole trade review, all that stuff. This one, I want to really start to set the pace for traders to stick around long term, right? We'll see what we could do over the next year, 2 years, 3 years together, and build up that inner circle. Yeah, so the buys are not valid just yet, chat. We want to see, you know, at least another push down, and that's what we're getting here. So this 15 is going to close in 5 minutes. Yeah, because I want to spend more time with you guys too. I think we can spend a lot more time together and get a lot done. So 4 weeks sometimes, we get a lot done in 4 weeks, but it's a little, you know, we could be together longer. Yeah, we'll probably keep the price the same. Yep. Yeah, it'll be fun because you can get in and you can stay in, right? So you can get in, you can stay in for as long as you want. You can get out for a month, get back in, whatever you want to do. But I like the fact of hanging with traders long term now and moving away from the beginner trader, right? I love working with the beginner trader. I really do, and really teaching them about the system. But I'm really falling in love with working with more high level traders like I've been doing lately. It's a totally different experience, man. So yeah. Can we buy in 6-month blocks? Yeah, we'll create some sort of an option where you can do it. Yep. Yeah, we want to make it as easy as possible and really bring in the right people. I've been doing this long enough. I don't want to work with the wrong people. I want to work with serious people who I can learn from, right? And bounce ideas off of. Let's go, lights fire. Let's go.
It's fire.
Do we have August Elite? Yeah, I think we're gonna do an August Elite, but we're only gonna do three openings. And that's the other thing. For now, like the Elite program, the way we're doing it, it will be open. We won't shut it down, right? We'll just leave it open and you can join pretty much whenever you want. Yeah, I like that idea. The rankings for top one, let's see, have they hit me back yet? I have not gotten a reply yet. Greg Ski, what's good, man? Good to see you. What's a good laptop to buy? I'm out of I don't know. I'm out of touch with laptops.
That's a question. That's a question for TK.
Yeah, maybe TK could help out. High-level traders are a lot of times that guys that they don't deal with the FOMO and the greed and the over trading and over risking anymore, right? They're just trying to dial things in and link up with other like-minded traders. So some things they need work on, right? So in order to do that, you have to collect data. We have to review that data together, go through that data, and really just make tweaks and adjustments more than learning a specific curriculum, right? They've already kind of got that dialed in. So yeah, that's the cool part about working with higher level traders is they already know you don't have to teach them that other stuff. Two trading accounts need to run copy. Yeah, I would say Traders Connect, I think it's called. Do you have to trade gold in order to be in the elite? No. This is going to be just a group of traders. We're obviously going to gear it more towards the way we trade, but you don't have to trade gold. You could trade whatever. What's needed to join the elite? I would just say an open mind, man. Your mind's like a parachute. It works better when it's open. Have an open mind. Some of you guys in the elite program, you guys have been awesome, right? Because I've said some things that may have challenged your way of thinking, and I'm not afraid to do that, right? Because I'm not afraid to point you in the right direction versus coddle you and don't worry, you know, if you keep doing that, it won't, you know, it's like, nah, like, so there's some things that, you know, are said that may challenge, you know, the way you think, but I think altogether no one's had an issue. Looking back, they've all been like, hey man, thanks for really challenging my thinking. No one has ever done that, right? Because again, you're dealing with more successful people who everyone around them is a yes man, right? So when they hire me to come in and teach them, I'm the guy who's like, yo, you're being an idiot with that, you know what I mean? Or tell them something that they are doing that they really need to stop, because they're not going to have any success doing that or thinking that or saying that or whatever it is that they're doing, right? So yeah, just it's good to have accountability with you. Gold bear on the 1 hour? Yeah. Yep. Currently is. So we're trying to see, are we going to make a bottom wick here to push up, right? So if we can create support, now that we've got this closure here, 9:15, we know we have volume coming in at 9:30, and that's where we're going to look to potentially have this trade. So now we've got price surrounded here. So as long as price doesn't move too crazy over the next 15 minutes, we know that if we get a closure below the range, even if it is bullish, then we have a potential 30-minute sellery here, and we will take I will take sells right at 9:30 to move down. If that candle doesn't close below but above the range, then that's where I'm looking to spot the clue that there could potentially be a fake out. The bottom wick for the new 4-hour candle is established, and I'll take my buys moving up. So just got to wait on this candle here. Big closure, big closure. We don't want price to move too much right now, though. We just want to chill out. Just chill out for 15 minutes and relax. Price action. Nick, you're so disciplined. This is very difficult. That's just because I know discipline works.
Knows discipline's the secret sauce.
Very simple. I've seen discipline work too many times in my life and in my trading to not be disciplined. You know, that's what all the big time traders do. All the big time athletes, all the big time anyone who's ever accomplished any high level of success has applied discipline into that process. So for us to think, hey, well, we don't have to be disciplined, is just a little foolish, right? Thoughts on ICT? Thoughts on ICT? They're a popular name. A lot of people trade ICT concepts. And that's it. Would you agree that trading is somewhat more of a spiritual journey rather than a technical? Yes. Absolutely. Is anyone's Trade08 not working? Mine seems to be good. Let me try and put a sell stop again.
About to try right now too. Making sure.
Yeah, mine's good.
Yeah, mine's good too.
That's true, Shelly. Small wins, man. Small wins build that trust.
Yep.
Yeah, maybe try disciplining yourself in those small areas first. Like brushing your teeth, making your bed, stuff like that.
Yep, because it's how you do one thing, it's how you do everything.
Go ahead and just brush every individual tooth. When was the last time you did that? I'd be doing that every day. I have fun
I
with
would
my
hope every day.
toothbrush process. All right, so the 4 hour is coming back up here, almost ready to break the high here. So we're trying to see if we can hold off, gold, hold off.
Wait for us. 11 minutes though.
Anything is possible. What's ICT? I don't really know. I just know it's like a strategy. That's it. All right. This is good. This is good. This is exactly what we want to see. 1 hour coming back up. 30-minute coming back up. 10 minutes left. Patience. Patience, patience. I haven't gotten my update yet.
So Nick, you're gonna display patience for your response.
I'm going to display patience, unlike some of you guys who keep asking me about the percentage. And we'll wait for Bryson to hit us back.
Just like I'm gonna be patient too for Top Step support to hit me up. Even though I really want to trade, but no, I'm kidding. Oh. Facts. Let's go, Louis G.
BRB.
Futures quick.
Yeah, don't be like a struggling
BRB.
doctor with no patience.
Competition results, we're still waiting on that. We're displaying patience right now for it. Yeah, y'all, but how you do one thing is how you do everything. It's so facts, you know, like that's why I would, you know, find something to be disciplined in, you know, in your life. So you can focus on doing it in one area. Then once you do it in one area, you'll display that in other areas as well. Whoever said in the chat that they're struggling with discipline, that's what you got to do, man. You got to focus on one area of your life where you can be consistent and disciplined in, and you can go from there, bro. Like, for example, like if I was looking to get disciplined in one area, I would do 100 push-ups every day, right? And that's what I do. And that helps me be disciplined every area of my life, just simply doing 100 push-ups a day. I've only blown 3 accounts. Hey, bro, that's pretty good. I know a lot of traders who blown way more. So, not bad, bro. Eight more minutes. Yep, because patience is going to come in. This is where it comes in trading, right? Like, me and Nick are patiently waiting for this confirmation, for this closure here, right? Yeah, hey, it takes many years. Yeah, it can, right? Personally, I wouldn't even count it, right? I would just show up every day and understand that, hey, if I just focus on building good habits, I can get good results, right? That's what I would focus on. I wouldn't really focus on when I'm going to be profitable, because that's kind of out of my control, right? When the profits come, what I can control, though, is focus on building good habits.
Good habits.
like Nick said, right, we just want to be observers today. Just want to be observing the markets. No expectations.
Looking good though, looking good. 4 hours starting to break the high here. You blew some accounts, that's all good. Happens. Yeah, I was expecting much more to happen here, especially last night with the open of the market, right? Due to the assassination attempt on Donald Trump, which was crazy. But yeah, I was expecting a big gap up there, but we didn't really get. Maybe we gapped a little bit on the daily, but nothing too crazy. Little gap, nothing major. Candles. Yeah. Yep, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. We drew this out, right? We drew this whole idea out a little earlier, and it's starting to come to fruition. Please be advised, in order to bring you the possible experience with Apex. Oh, it looks like Apex was doing something on their systems and things will be offline. We'll do our best to have our systems back up as soon as possible. Yeah, so that's what's going on with Apex. All right, 4 minutes. 4 minutes here. Dude got grazed. Dude literally got grazed, man. Crazy. All right, let me so let's just do a fresh top-down analysis here before this closure, so we can get a good look at price, right? So the daily candles are, right, we did close the week bearish. We broke the highs already. We haven't really been able to do much from that break of the high, but all that happened due to like London and, you know, the push off of London open here, right, that we've been running up from. So the 4 hour here did close bull. So we closed bullish on the 4 hour. If we're looking, we are beginning to break the 4 hour highs here. I would expect this wick to potentially get filled and for us to at least like run up towards like 24.18, even like 24, you know, this wick fill, whatever that is, 21 there. So let's go look at the day, the 1 hour here. So the 1 hour is trying to potentially plant a new support, kind of like we did over here, and then I would expect the next 1 hour candle to move up. 30-minute candle is planting a support as well, which closes in about 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So this is exactly where we wanted to see a support to be planted. We had a nice fake out as well, and that's what we're looking at here. So as we begin to look at this support formed, as long as we close, I would say above, more so above, yeah, like probably above 13 here, buys should be good to go. This is your 4 hour wick fill that we're looking at, right? On the 4 hour, this wick, right? That's represented by this range. We know that ranges get filled during high times of volume. We know that wicks get filled during high times of volume, and that's kind of the approach that I'm taking here. So we want to see how this 30-minute candle closes. If we can close strong, especially on the 15, then everything looks good to continue moving up here. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll see if we get that 30 support. If not, then no trade. Do you ever feel like you get stuck with analysis paralysis if you pay much attention to the Dixie? I don't pay attention to the Dixie, the DXY dollar. I don't even look at that. So nah. Every now and then I'll look at it here and there, every couple, very rarely. Yeah. So yeah, as long as we remain above 13, 14 here, I would say we are good to go on the 15-minute. But if we close back below in the next 1 minute, then there's a celery play to potentially move on down. So big closure. Oh. Big closure. All right, 44 seconds. Mm-mm-mm. 30 may close. Hopefully we don't close doji here on the 30. Yeah, we need a bottom wick. We need a top wick too. We need a top wick. Yeah, we may. Ooh. Yeah. All right. So we got a. We got a little top wick. So we're no top wick here on the futures chart at all. Man. All right. So man. So yeah, if we need to make a steep wick, right? If we can make a steeper bottom wick, then I may have some buy stops on the break of the high, but you know, this is a little sketchy here. Yeah, unfortunately.
Well, does you dirty like that, you know?
You could be waiting all morning.
Old's trying to scam us here. What a deal.
Yeah,
on a Monday, Louis G.
Ugly. Yeah, 30 closed. 30 closed with no top wick. No top wick here, no top wick there. So yeah, man, nothing here, unfortunately. Yep. So now it's off to the 15-minute time frame again, and we'll see how we close, because if we close back below, then price just probably going to consolidate. Yeah. Yep. Gotta wait.
Part of the job, Nick.
Part of the job. So no top wick. No top wick means that there's a less of a probability that price will continue pushing, right? So instead of price driving up, it could still drive up, but there's less of a probability. As to when you have a wick, it's like it goes from like 80-20 if you have a wick for price to keep moving up, to with no wick like a 50-50. And I don't really take 50-50s. If I'm gonna do that, I'd rather just go to the casino. But we did form support there, so we may move up.
We'll see what happens right here.
But this is where the patience muscle gets tested.
Exactly, and your discipline muscle to be disciplined to your rules as well. Is this a rule of ours?
Yep.
And remember, a good loss will always be better than a bad win.
If you really have to get it out of your system, just open up a demo account and take a buy on the demo.
And like we always say, Chad, we rather be out of the trade wishing we were in than in wishing we were out.
Yep. Price should move up and retest the highs. It should. But no top wick, no bueno.
It's like a make or break. These situations make or break traders, y'all. Seriously though.
The gambling muscle's itching.
Because it's not about what this it's not about what this trade does right now. It's about the habits you're building long term, right? Because the habits, you're either building habits that you're breaking your rules, and that's not going to help you long term, right? Or you're building habits where you're professional and you're disciplined to your rules, right? And that is what helps long term, and that's your edge, right? Time is your edge, especially when you're being disciplined to your rules.
Yep. Yeah, if you want to take the buy and your broker shows a wick, do it. Do it. Don't let us hold you back. Patience is my weakest aspect of trading right now. So right now you have an opportunity to practice it, right? And guess what? If you practice it and gold does drive, even better, because now you really got a chance to practice it. But this is your opportunity here. So if your patience is weak, you have an opportunity to work it out here today, right? When you work it out, what happens when a muscle, when you work it out? It goes through stress, right? Right now you're probably stressing, right? That muscle's weak, but you're strengthening it, right? Especially when you watch price drive, then you really get a good workout in, and the more you work that patience muscle out, just like a bicep, just like a tricep, the more you work it out, the stronger it will become.
Yes.
Now, if we get a 15 closure, that closes like bullish with a wick on the top, then I'll be in buys. But we're going to need a wick.
Yes, sir. And our green and red days aren't based off of our P&L, but based off our actions.
Peace
Habits.
out, TK.
Peace, TK.
Later. Keep itching my hand. Yeah. Money's on the way. My hand's getting itchy. Got some money on the way.
See if I can get into this dashboard on the top stuff. See what's good.
I hope you can.
Yeah, thanks, bro. Not trying to wait like 3
You're
days.
missing this trade. You're missing this buy position.
Ain't got, I mean, yeah, right?
My hands are getting itchy. Nah, I've been here too long to take buys off of candles with no top wicks. You guys seen me. What was that, 167 weeks ago? Right? I was trading gold. Trust me, I've been around a little bit. I've been around long enough to know that this could drive, but also long enough to know that I don't care if it drives. Right? Because a lot of times it'll stop me out.
And we also know what the long-term results are from being disciplined versus not being disciplined, right? And that also will help us be disciplined too. When you've tested it, you've tested your, what discipline is, and being disciplined and not being disciplined, you tested that, you saw your results. And now that you got your results, it's going to make you not want to be undisciplined.
We don't trade emotions here. We trade logic, we trade data.
Go.
And the crazy part is this probably will move up, but first it'll stop all the short stop losses out and all that, and then go up. Love to be here. Hey, we love having you here, Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez.
Lopez.
Oh, Shelly's moving into futures. Okay. Okay.
Hey, let's go, Shelly. You're gonna love futures. I have been loving it. Nick, you've been loving it, right?
Yep. Definitely.
Yeah, we both love it.
Wealthy people are very patient. Yes. So that should tell us if we want to be wealthy, what should we do? Right? The game, man. The game is not that hard, chat. I promise you. Look at someone who has the life you want and then ask them what they did. Some of them, they're going to tell you for free. Some of them, they're going to charge you. Some of them, they're going to charge you an ungodly amount. Pay it anyway. Right? Pay it anyway. How bad do you want to get to where you want to go, right? So learn from them and then duplicate them. It's a very simple system.
Yes.
Duplication. Right?
Yep.
Be duplicatable. So as a leader, I want to be duplicatable. Right? I want you guys to be able to take what I do and the way I approach the markets and be able to duplicate it and get the same results. And that's what you've got here. So you don't have to go looking for answers everywhere in the world. Just stick to one system, man, and just duplicate it.
Sure.
The only thing I really done was duplicate my mentor. We even duplicated all the way down to the kids. He had his daughter first, I had mine first. Then he had a son, then he had another son. Like, just be duplicatable, man. Just duplicate. Y'all never heard of copying?
Right.
You didn't copy in class? I copied in class.
You guys ever acted, right? Like, you guys ever acted some out? Same thing here. The person you want to be, you just got to act the part.
My mentor always says to me, Nick, if you're going to walk through a minefield, follow someone. Right? This journey that you're entering in on is a minefield. Trust me, right, Green? Right? You're going to have things blow up, explosives, go mess with you, take you out off your journey. Like, you want to follow somebody, right? If you're going to walk through a minefield, follow someone.
Facts, right?
And be a very good fruit inspector. Check the fruit on the tree before you get the picking.
Facts, bro. Yo, Z Gamer, bro. I hate how the schools make it seem like it's so bad to copy people. Hate that.
Oh, yeah, that's true. They don't want you copying or working in group environments. I wonder why. Copying?
Right.
That's exactly. Shout out to Vin, man. That'll be.
Yes, patience pays for sure.
All right, so 15 closure coming up here in about 2 minutes. So let's keep an eye on this. Welcome to the minefield.
Welcome to the game of life.
Yeah, W for not taking the buy, man. Yeah,
Thanks,
someone was in the chat saying it was gonna fly like fireworks. But we know that this no top wick, yes, I believe, like, man, that would have been awesome. We could have flew like fireworks, but once this guy comes in, that's your sign, man. That's your sign. For right now, we're not going to go, right? Most of the time. Sometimes it's going to fly, right? But most of the time, we're going to take a pause, right? We're going to do something different. You never know. We could still fly. We may need to create a new support, right? We may need to close back above and then come the fireworks show. So just keep in mind, anytime these candles close with no top wick, That's why we stay out of them, because that's where you're not going to have enough range for the next candle to move up. So even during high times of volume, right? Like as you can see, we're in a very, very high time of volume right now, but notice how we didn't make that move on this candle. So we could make it on the next 15-minute candle though. Or the next one, or the next one, or the next one.
Whenever price wants to do it, whenever price wants to give us our deal. Right, Nick, we're just being patient on waiting for price to give us our deal. We told price what we want. Now we need price to apply with us, comply with us. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. How much of a wick do you need? I mean, something bigger than that. You know, maybe something like this. Something even like this will do. But this is like no wick. Look at no wick. Drove down. No wick. Drove down. No wick. Drove down. Right, we could find them all over the place.
Exactly. And Nick, I'm gonna bring in a point. I'm gonna let you guys know about this a lesson I've learned in the forex mindset. And he talked about there's a difference between hearing and listening, right? Yes, you can hear price. You hear that price is saying, yo, I have no top wick, but you don't care anyways, right? But if you're listening and it's saying, all right, you see no top wick, and that's price saying, all right, we have a less of a probability to go up now. Now you're actually listening to the markets, and you're not gonna go that way, right? If there's a less probability, you understand that now, and you're just gonna avoid this trade. But if you're just hearing it, you're like, you know, whatever. You don't pay no mind to it. So you continue to get into it and you take losses long term. So just keep that in mind. You know, there's a difference between hearing and listening to the markets. Make sure you're always listening.
For sure. I agree.
Yeah. Learn that in forex mindset.
I agree. All right, so we got the 15 closure, but not too pretty. So just going to sit tight on the 30. If the 30 closes below support or even below 13, then I'm going to be looking for sells. If not, like I said, we may range a little bit here.
Yo, Nick, I'm in top step. Let's get it.
Oh, you're in?
Yes, sir.
All right, bet. Just in time for this
Yeah,
buy.
sorry, chat. Yeah, facts. Now let's get a topic on the candle. Yeah, sorry, chat. I haven't been really looking at the chat because I've been busy doing this top step, figuring this out.
Yeah, and just understand that everything we're talking about in trading, it's all probability. So some days you're going to, like tomorrow, like today you see how it went down. Tomorrow you'll get a no wick and you'll be like, all right, I'm staying out. And then whoops, you know, it's going to drive up. So just understand everything we talk about is all in terms of probability, right? We want to, as traders, we want to base our decisions off of probability, meaning we want to base our decisions based off of things that happen most time versus things that happen some of the time, right? We always want to make that decision based off of what happens most of the time, and most of the time when a candle closes with no top wick, it won't drive up, right? It'll continue just consolidating or move down.
Yep.
W. Aha moments. I like it. I like it.
Lights fire. I'm running up both. I'm doing both personal and funded.
Yeah, so we could come back down towards the bottom of the range. We just have this area that's stopping me from really looking at these cells in a clean way. So I don't want to get caught up here. Right? It could move up and down and up and down. I think our new range right now is pretty much looking like this, right? This is a pretty strong zone here. You also have a resistance here, and then that's kind of like the range we're looking at. I like it off the 30-minute. If you close above, it looks good. If you close below, it looks great to go down. Other than that, this area can get very choppy. But John's in his account, and it's time to take a buy now.
Let's go. Did you use the micro chart, or you got the
Yeah, I have both charts.
other one?
Yeah, I got both charts. Same.
Is it the same?
Here. Same as I got here.
Do you trade the same way, like, or no?
Same way.
Like from TradingView?
Oh yeah, so with that you can like right click. So let's say you want to set a buy stop on like the break of the high here, just right click, and then you'll see like buy stop and all that.
All right, yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it's a pretty good platform.
Well,
and then once you get entered in the trade, you can finagle your stops. And pretty much from what I'm seeing on the micro, on the MGC, it's basically like if you do a 5, it's going to be like $5 a tick. If you do 10, it'll be like $10 a tick. So it's kind of like standard lots, which I like.
okay, all right, beautiful. I'm excited.
As you should be. Yeah, it's pretty neat. It's like so if you want to take a buy market order, you just hit buy. That's going to be your size. If you want to do a buy stop, boom, you got the buy stop. Delete it here. It's pretty fly.
Fire.
I dig it.
Can you show me real quick? Just
It's
set
a
an
little
order.
bit different than TradingView. Yeah, what do you want to see?
So I want to just see a set a buy stop.
Buy stop. So I would right click if I wanted a buy stop here. I'll hit stop buy, and then you see where it says 1, 2, 3, 4, all that. That's where I'm gonna pick my position size. So let's say I pick 1, boom, buy stop sitting there. And then once you get activated, you can drag it and make your stops and your TPs and all that stuff. Yeah. I got a few of these accounts. I got some hooked up on a copy trader, some on an individual, so I can test different things. And yeah, it's pretty dope.
I bet.
I like it. Nice and easy.
And you just adjust it right after you set it?
After you get activated. So if you know what your stops are going to be, I think, unless you guys have figured out a different way, you got to be like, okay, I got a 33 pip stop. So do the math there. We're going to work on a potential opportunity to create some sort of like a magic keys for futures. So give me some time here, but by the end of the year, we may be able to progress on that idea. Yeah, I like the CEOs. I'm gonna try and get an introduction in at Top Step as well. So maybe we can work with them a little bit, and they can give us some deals, and we can have some connects in there and stuff like that. I'll keep you guys posted.
We definitely done that.
Top Step will probably be the next company that we could look to partner with.
Am I in buys? Nope.
Bye.
We just gave you a couple of reasons why we didn't like the buys.
The next victim. Oh, you can adjust it before? Yeah? That would be nice if we can. Yeah, Top Step's been around before FTMO. FTMO learned a lot from Top Step, supposedly.
That's great. Yeah, I know we were talking about that yesterday. That's wild.
Yeah, I have a few 150K accounts here. So I'm just gonna have fun with them, run them up. Top Step came out in 2012. Oh wow. Yeah, they've been around for a hot minute. I like those. I don't know. Something just draws me to more of like futures traders, option traders, stock traders. I don't know. I just like their style. Yo, we should do that. Nice little little field trip over to the stock market in Wall Street, New York.
Bro, let's do it. That'd be sick.
That would be dope. Me and my wife went down there last time we were in New York. We got bicycles and we rode down there and hung out on Wall Street for a little bit. $50K is the best, really? Like, what makes it like the best? Is that a thing? I didn't know that. They have better rules, or how come it's the best? Because it's funny you say
Talking
that.
about Top Step?
Yeah, I was talking to a friend of mine, and he said he has a bunch of 50Ks. But I'm thinking, well, why? You know, because I know he can get the 150Ks. So is there like an actual strategy behind that? Oh yeah, lights fire, definitely. I'll holler at you when I'm in New York next.
What makes it easier to get payouts?
Overrated? I
Like,
live
how
around
is it
there.
easier?
Where were we talking about again? I forgot already. Wait, live around
Oh, we were
where?
talking about 50K.
I don't know, man. I do a lot of talking. A lot of talking.
Yeah, facts. Nick's already thinking 30 moves ahead.
Yes. W, friends. W. Good job, Forex Guru. Just stay disciplined, man. Every trade, no matter if you're up or down, just every time you approach the desk, just look for the next best trade. Trade for tomorrow.
Yep.
No way. The London Stock Exchange. Yeah, we might pop here, ladies and gents. We got this 15-minute celery about to potentially play out. 4 minutes left here. I got 5 accounts. Nice. Yeah, their Top Step X is pretty sick too. Yeah, we may if we break that high, we may pop now, man. We got 3 minutes and 50 seconds left on this candle though. So let's see how the candle closes, and we'll go from there. It may run though, right, within the next couple minutes.
Yo, but when you right click and says buy stop, it says buy stop at the current price it's at. Like, what if I want to put it at a different price?
Well,
Do you know?
Price is at the current price where you want to buy, unless you're doing it up here.
Well,
where
yeah, if I want to
doing
set a buy stop on break of the highs, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it says buy stop at 24.22 where price is at. Like, if I click that, is it gonna set a buy stop right where price is at?
Yeah, whatever price you're on, that's where you're gonna get the buy stop. So if you did on the break of the high, it would be like 24.23 right now in the futures chart. That would be where your buy stop would be.
Okay, but I didn't realize that. Thank you, Nick.
It's my pleasure. Yeah, we're just watching price get thrown around here today.
Nah, man, I'm not in any buys or trades.
Top Step and Top Step X. I believe Top Step X is just the copy trader for Top Step.
No, I'm trading on Top Step X right now.
Yeah, but that's just the copy trader, right? I think that's what they
I don't know.
coined.
Nah, Top Step X is their platform.
Okay, gotcha. Oh
Yeah, see, Melly. This is a pretty cool platform.
It is. That's right. That's right. It is the platform itself.
Oh man, Wags. It's goody. Yeah, Wags, you're not in the US either, so forex isn't a terrible option.
Oh, really? It's mobile friendly? I haven't seen the app. Is it what's it called? Top Step X? I didn't know they had a mobile version.
It's actually sick. Yeah, it's good. That's good, Wags.
Oh, wow, they do. Wait, no, they don't.
So
They
now
have
we
an
can do
app?
it on the gym or in the car.
More. That means more trades. Wait, they have an app, or you do it on the web browser?
You can copy trade on mobile too. Wow.
40 seconds here. 40 seconds. What are we approaching? 10 a.m. So we got an hour closure here. Yeah, it's man, looking chopped.
It's looking like a Monday type of day.
Looking like a Monday. Okay, use it on the browser. Gotcha. You can merge stops together. Oh, wow. That's nice.
Nothing.
Yeah, man, nothing to do here. Nothing to do. Outside of this candle close with no top wick, really. You get a wick in there, we may be able to catch a fade coming back down. That's it. Other than that, not looking good. Not looking good. Price gonna juice up, maybe.
Stuck in this range right now.
So that's what we're going to talk about a lot too in the webinar, is a lot about the patience for the fade, right? Because anytime you do something new, like let's say you listen to a new song, you start to overplay it, right? So you don't want to come into the fade in this business and try and abuse it, right? And just try and call it out every little which way you think it can happen. So we're going to be talking a lot about that in the webinar as well, about the timing on the fade and just about really not abusing things. It's natural for us to find something new that works and just try and boom, like blow it up all the time. But notice how I haven't really taken that at all today or really called it, right? Because you have to have the timing right. You got to be in the right areas. The higher time frames got to align, and none of that has really taken place just yet.
Right at resistance too. Oh, thanks.
Yeah, you don't want to play things out and, you know, abuse them, overuse them. It's not how these type of things work. How to register for the webinar? Just yeah, there you go. The links will be in the chat. Yeah, I don't see anything good here. So outside of, remember we talked about the 4 hour kind of attempting to fill the wick there and then showing some signs of sluggish movement. Well, now we've got that. We're back into this wick rejection. We're at this resistance. We're closing no top wick. So this is where there may be that opportunity coming in. So we'll wait on that. And if that presents itself, then maybe we'll take it. If not, we'll just call it a day. Yes, you're welcome for that 80% off. That's a big 80%.
Really good.
I like you, Daniel. Way to ask for a discount.
Hey, good stuff, PM Magnifico. Good day, bro. Good day for you.
Okay, PM Magnifico's on fire. Let's get it. Yeah, Not looking too hot. Break of the highs would be nice. Re-break the high, wick back up in here. Fade opportunities may begin to play into it, but not yet. 3 W's, 1 break even. Nice, man. Nice, nice.
Lovely.
Good day, Nick. Yo. What's up, Darlington? Yeah, today might be a patience testing day here. Hey, Nick, any tips on keeping winners running and losers cutting them faster? Yeah, we're going to go over, we typically talk about that, and when we talk about like trade management and all that stuff, yeah, it's just about playing the charts, to be honest, and really sticking to it and not getting in the way of the trade and just letting things play out for what they, what they are. Yeah, plan the trade the plan.
Playing the trade, bro.
Stuff.
Just about to say that, bro.
Yeah. And then don't cut it, right? Get out of the way, pretty much. That's what's helped me the most, is like just plan the trade and then get out the way.
Yeah, understand your system too.
I got my W in pre-New York. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I got a W in Asian last night. So I'm not really trying to force anything here.
Never want to force anything.
Yeah, try your best, and then also, close partials. Start closing partials, close 80%, let the rest of it run, then close 50% and let the rest of it run, and 40 and then 30, and then you'll start closing less and less, and then you'll start leaving more of your trades open a little bit more and more. All right, let's see. What's this? Yeah, so I think a closure below sets us back down here. But other than that, we may just consolidate up here. So it could get a little rough here. Yeah, you got resistance here. It's not looking the hottest. You got this level of support that we're still above, or previous resistance that we're still above. So it's not a good spot. So John, what you got going on today, man?
Oh man,
today?
same old, just chilling. I'm gonna be patiently waiting for my fruits of labor.
I like it.
Yeah, bro. All it is right now is freedom, but soon it will be luxury.
Keeping that freedom. Yeah, I think we might call it a day.
Yeah, I know. I was just gonna say, what are you doing today?
I got a few things to do, and I'm just chilling. I have a few things to do here at the house, and then just hanging out the rest of the day.
But yeah, same here, bro. Just chilling.
Yeah.
I head out.
Yeah, I think we'll call it a day here, Chad. I do like potential sells below on the closure here. It's gonna happen in 22 minutes. So if you do close below, like ideally you want to move up a little bit, kind of see what you can do in that wick area to the left, and then if you end up coming back down and officially like closing below, then I think these are really good sells to potentially take in 22 minutes. So that's pretty much all I'm waiting on. Yeah, close partials here, move stops to break even, let the rest run. If it doesn't and you do create like a new support here, then that's where you can flip your bias and then look for buys again. Yeah, I would have liked to take the buys off of here, but we got no wick there, and yeah. Cool.
That, bro, sounds good. So then I'll give you a call a bit later.
All right, bet. Sounds good, John. Thanks for coming on.
All right, good day. Yes, sir. Great
Good day, mate.
Patience
Good
and
day.
discipline.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
man.
sir. What's up, man? All right, bet. I'll talk to you later.
Later, brother.
Chat, hope you guys all have a blessed day. Good stuff today. Peace.
Yeah, Jack. Good work today. Way to patiently wait and practice discipline, and we will come back at it tomorrow. Those are my thoughts on today. You may get a closure above like these areas here, which should continue bringing us up as well. So I would stay out of this range from 20, or let me go to the back to the OANDA chart, from 2420 to like 18, and then kind of go from there. Yeah, other than that, we've just been basically running from London session. Yeah, pre-London. All right, good job today, mods. Thank you guys for all you do and always showing up. And holy, we got a juicer here. Yeah, enjoy the juicer. Enjoy watching it. If you're in buys, congratulations. Amazing job. And we'll get back at it tomorrow. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a lovely day. Peace.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.
I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I I picture this out of the park. Moving so quick, it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours, you spit in the dark. Putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork. Do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work, yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up, yeah. This all God, this ain't no love, yeah. I used to be stuck in that mud, yeah. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where?
I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah. It's all God.